Guys, in lesson 9, I forgot to do a couple things in my modeling. Um, Sorry about that, and I'm trying to teach you the correct way. So if you remember from lesson 9, we had this area, these four areas that were supposed to be one material. And what I forgot to do was to glue these four areas together and through these lines. So what I have to do in order to do that is to come to operate, use booleans and glue areas and pick these four areas and click OK. They are glued to each other. Then I can go to meshing again. I have done all those sizes for lines and stuff. So I just come to areas, free, select them, and my area is mesh, so I have all my elements. Now what I have to do is to come to loads and make sure that I'm doing static analysis. Go to define loads, apply structural displacement on key points and pick this one. Click OK. Make sure all DOF is 0. OK. And then I want to apply a force on this key point of minus 10,000. OK. So then come to solve my model. It's done. Come to general post process, plot results, deformed shape. It's a little bit different from previous time now. So you see these elements are deformed much more. So if I come here and apply this, my my plate is not deforming as it used to deform yesterday or in lesson 9. Perhaps it's more uniform if I do that. But the deformation is very small in terms of 10 to the minus 6 millimeters. Very, very small. So if you see this thing in here, don't really um, think that this is a huge deformation in y direction. Perhaps it's nothing because its maximum is 0.209 10 to the minus 4, which is very small in terms of total displacement. And the other mistake I made yesterday, remember when I came to styles, size and shape, picked this one, it didn't show me anything. It was because oh, okay, I think I made a mistake in redefining the thickness of this plate. So the reason that yesterday I didn't see this um, 3D representation was I came to select entities and then picked the key point in the center and then the node there, so I had only one entity selected at a time. That's why ANSYS didn't show me this 3D representation. Let's get back to real constants and edit the second one that I had, shell, okay. And instead of 50, make them 5, or like 10, it was 10. Okay, close and resolve the model. I hope it has saved it. So let's get back to here and see the deformed shape. And this one is more realistic. I just input the values incorrectly. So now this is the deformation in y and uh, total displacement. Also, you can see the von Mises stress. And also, let's go to list results, reaction solution, all forces. and you see them here. And the reason that we have fx and fz in this key point or in this point is that we have 4 elements attached to this point which are going in x, y, and z directions, and there is a load in y direction which is at the center of this plate. So according to static analysis, we will have loads in the direction of these beams or whatever they are that are holding this plate. So that's why we have forces in all 3 directions. This is the correction I had to make for lesson 9. That's probably that.